Prachi, please don't claim a copyright on me because it was all for educational purpose. Hello friends, good morning. I am super excited today because this video is going to be a slightly different than all my other videos. In this video, I am going to play a clip. First, listen to it. After that, I would definitely suggest what are the lessons you can learn through this clip in order to improve your English speaking. So, without wasting time, let's play.
Hi everyone, this is Prachi and I'm from UP and this is day 12 of Learn English with me. So, as you all know, I'm here to improve my English fluency. So, I just want to tell you that today I'm going to attend Tilak Samaro ceremony of my cousin. So I'm going with my family, so we will enjoy a lot, we will have a lot of fun there. And yesterday I went in a wedding, and yesterday I went in my friend's wedding, and she used to study with me in class 9th.
I hope you listened to this clip patiently. Now, let me introduce her first. After that, we will talk about what are the lessons we can learn from her. Her name is Prachi Pandey. She is from UP and she is a new content creator on YouTube. She speaks English so confidently and flawlessly. Now, let me talk about the lessons we can learn from her as a language learner. First lesson is perfection versus connection. She speaks English in order to connect the audience. She doesn't speak English to impress others. So her English speaking you can observe when she was speaking about the past tense. Then she said, "I used to," and after that she went blank. But she didn't care about the blankness. She again started speaking. This shows she doesn't care about the perfection. She cares only about the connection. And language is all about how to connect a person and how to express your feelings, thoughts, and ideas without caring about your grammatical mistakes and how vast your vocabulary is. And yes, you can also observe in her video, she uses so basic words, repetitions. She doesn't care about monotones. Why? Because we mostly think if you want to speak English, then you must sound so professional like athletes and actors. But she is speaking so nicely using just basic words. So we must not care about how much knowledge do you have and how vast your vocabulary is. You must care only about one thing, that is just take your mobile and start recording yourself in English, and whatever comes in your mind, never afraid of expressing it. And even that's how I learned English. The other lesson we can learn from her is she is beauty with brain. She doesn't care about scripts. She didn't even I observed it. She didn't mugged up anything and then started recording. She just went on speaking, and wherever it seems like, oh my God, I forgot the words. What to say now? Then she again take pause. She just went silent like this, and after that the word again click to her mind and she started speaking. So that's how fluency comes. You must not wait for the confidence, because confidence is a skill. You will have to develop it step by step every day. If you are waiting for the perfection, for the confidence, then it will never come unless you don't jump into this journey. So my friends, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and in upcoming videos I will definitely share more lessons from her videos. But I would definitely love to say, Prachi, please don't claim a copyright on me because it was all for educational purpose. Okay, I am not trying to use your video to get more views and likes. Okay, so please keep it in your mind, and if you really watch this video, then don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, and God bless you.